Hello, I am Chirag. The question is, find x if f of x is equal to 1 plus x minus x square and f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus 2. Solution. In the question, it is given that f of x is equal to 1 plus x minus x square. Therefore, f of x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus x plus 1 minus x plus 1 whole square, and similarly f of x plus 2 is equal to 1 plus x plus 2 minus x plus 2 whole square. From the question, we know that f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus 2. Therefore, 1 plus x plus 1 minus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 plus x plus 2 minus x plus 2 whole square. On solving this, we will get 1 plus x plus 1 minus x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x plus 2 minus x square minus 4 minus 4x. Now 1 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, x will cancel out, x square will cancel out. Therefore, we will get minus 2x is equal to minus 2 minus 4x, or 2x is equal to minus 2, which implies x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the answer of this question is x is equal to minus 1. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, read the information given below and answer the question that follows. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 when x is not equal to plus minus 1 and equal to 2 when x is equal to plus minus 1. G of x is equal to x square minus x minus 1 for even x and equal to 4x plus 1 if otherwise. Find f of g of x at x is equal to 1. We first find out g of x at x is equal to 1. Since 1 is not even, we get g of x as 4x plus 1. So g of 1 will be 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 5. F of x therefore becomes 2x plus 3 since 5 is not equal to plus minus 1. So, f of 5 will be 2 into 5 plus 3, that is 13. Therefore, f of g of 1 comes out to be 13, which is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, read the information given below and answer the question that follows. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 for x not equal to plus minus 1 and equal to 2 for x equal to plus minus 1. G of x is equal to x square minus x minus 1 for even x and equal to 4x plus 1 if otherwise. F of g of x is equal to 2. Find x. At x is equal to 2, we get g of x as 2 square minus 2 minus 1, which comes out to be 1. Therefore, f of g of x becomes equal to f of 1, that is 2. At x is equal to minus 1, g of x becomes 4 into minus 1 plus 1, that is minus 3. Therefore, f of g of x becomes f of minus 3, which is not equal to 2. Similarly, at x is equal to 1, g of x becomes 5 and f of g of x again is not equal to 2. So, the value of x is equal to 2. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, read the information given below and answer the question that follows. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 when x is not equal to plus minus 1 and equal to 2 when x is equal to plus minus 1, and g of x is equal to x square minus x minus 1 for even x and equal to 4x plus 1 if otherwise. Which of the following is true? First, g of f of 1 is equal to f of g of 1. Second, g of 4 is equal to f of 4. And third, f of 1 is equal to g of 1. We first evaluate f of 1, which comes out to be 2. Therefore, g of f of 1 becomes g of 2, which is 2 square minus 2 minus 1, that is 1. Next we calculate g of 1, which comes out to be 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 5. F of g of 1 therefore becomes f of 5, that is 2 into 5 plus 3, which is 13. This implies that f of g of 1 is not equal to g of f of 1. Therefore, first is not true. Next, we calculate g of 4, which comes out to be 4 square minus 4 minus 1, that is 11. F of 4 comes out to be 2 into 4 plus 3, that is 11, which implies that f of 4 is equal to g of 4. Therefore, second statement is true. We have already evaluated f of 1 as 2 and g of 1 as 5. This implies that f of 1 is not equal to g of 1. So, third is not true. And so, the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, test this relation y is equal to 1 by x for symmetry. Substituting minus x for x, we get y as minus 1 by x. So, the graph is not symmetric with respect to the y-axis. Next, substituting minus y for y, we get minus y is equal to 1 by x. So, the graph is not symmetric with respect to x-axis. Substituting minus x for x and minus y for y, we get minus y is equal to minus 1 by x or y is equal to 1 by x. So, the graph is symmetric about origin. This is the required solution. Thank you.